ever fucking tell you that you guys look sick as fuck?
Okay, you look fucking sexy too, mate.
You got your gloves on you?
Yeah.
Yo, bruv, you got your gloves on you. You got your.
Stop trying to fuck.
Do you have your phalange covers on you? Do you have your sausage sheaths on you?
I do.
What's like a cursed name for gloves? Get your oi Moby Dick. Get your sausage fingers out of my face. All right, ladies and gentlemen, today we're at TAAGS Airsoft Field, and we've completely missed the first match or the first game. It's 11:24. They're probably out big dick swinging. I'm almost tempted to just walk on the field and play no bands. What the fuck? How'd you do that?
I'm trying to figure out too. Like, how the fuck did this happen? Here.
Oh, I see. It's just, yeah, it's like caught on itself. What? Oh, you. How'd you do that? That's crazy. All right, and then let's go ahead and put the hood on. There we go. And then throw the sling over. Come on, Gunnar! Gunnar! Yeah, we shouldn't have paid for the fucking morning. I said we shouldn't have paid for the morning side. Actually, sorry, I don't mean to like flag you. Let's go. Here. Thanks. Oh. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Look at that, boys. Oh, fuck. Wow, that's way off. Sorry.
Ow. You okay? Yeah.
Okay. What's going on?
Can I get like 10 people over here? We need to take the flag to Sniper's Tower.
Which one is Sniper's Tower? Straight ahead?
The one straight ahead. But if we go straight ahead, we're gonna get shot. So we need to go around in the connex. But I need more people.
Damn, they're already taking hits. What the fuck? So, you know, it's gonna kind of be a shitty uphill battle either way. They're taking a lot of fire, so it might make more sense for us to go this way.
Yeah, I think.
So, are you guys good? Okay.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Northwest Airsoft. Sorry, it's been a couple of months I've been on hiatus because I don't like myself. Anyway, in this first game, it was capture the flag, so we have to go get the flag and then put it in a specific tire. So in the beginning, while we're kind of running around, we try and flank, and then we try and get some bad guys, and then try and at least make a push in the beginning here.
All right, guys. Should we push? Hey, Connor, do you want to push straight or we follow you? Okay. Chris, we're moving. Watch across the bridge. Hey, Connor, I'm gonna run right past you, okay? Ready? Uno, dos, tres. Hit, nice hit. Dead man coming out, dead man coming out.
I'm so hot.
They got guys on the bottom of that tower.
We need the jug.
So we're trying to flank around.
Why? What is Andrew doing? Okay. Fuck it. Alright, watch my gun. Okay. Yo! Good luck, Chief. Okay. Alright, I can carry it. I can carry it. Sir, I will follow you everything. Fucking want everybody! Hey, out for the Onyx, out! Out for the Onyx! Everyone!
So they end up calling a ceasefire. I guess somebody ended up getting hurt. I don't know if someone rolled their ankle or there was like a serious injury, but they pulled out the cot. They got them off the field, and seems like everyone was okay. And we went like right back to play within a couple of minutes.
Man, we can't like get through. They're all in that tower just like laying hate. I don't even know where it's coming from at this point. I'm right behind you, okay. Oh, that's a juggernaut, that's why.
Oh, sorry.
Oh shit, oh shit. Hey, we better go. I don't know. Game! Game!
Okay, so for the second half of the day, they started off with TDM, and then after the horn blows, it turns into elimination. So 3 lives until the horn blows, and then once that goes off, it's once you hit, you're done, and then they count up whoever's remaining after, I think it was like 5 minutes.
Oh, I know.
Here we got guys coming from this all the way too. We're getting kind of cornered here.
Watch the right first. He's up on the...
He's down. Are you allowed? Are we allowed to full auto?
Yeah.
Oh, we are. All right, cool, cool.
Coming around the corner.
Yes.
Got him coming this way. That's one.
Here, let me trade with you.
We're a little locked in. Oh.
Sorry, you got a guy coming right around that corner. They're right beyond the bushes, just over in the corner. I just saw someone's armband. They're trying to push as close as they can.
All right, so
Don't die.
yeah, don't die, exactly. All right, well, we got a lot of guys on this side. I'm gonna cover the back.
Band. Back there.
Where?
Moving up. Want to do that?
I saw him run back into the woods. We might be okay right here.
They're blinking everyone over there.
Oh, I bet. Oh, it's elimination. So the horn. So when you're dead now, you're like fully dead for the rest of the match. Yeah, sorry guys. Like to our right? Yeah. Yeah, they're just holding that trail. That's the problem. Like we would have moved up and trying to push, but they got like 3 guys just full autoing that one trail to leave. So it's just one of those days. I think it is. I think that's the problem.
So if we could, like, who's that? Those are bands.
Yep.
We're back. Woo! Well, that was that dude. Is respawning or?
No, it's elimination now, so as soon as you get out, we're done.
Yeah. I just wasn't sure because it's been a long time and we were like all the way over there, so I wasn't sure if you guys were respawning or not. So. GG. I'm across.
Yeah.
Where we at?
Well, we got 3 moved up right now, so.
Oh no, friendly.
Yeah, friendly. Huh?
Any friendly?
Yeah, we got 3 friendlies right here.
I keep meaning to say enemy.
Huh?
Let me keep meaning to say enemy. What's the situation? Are they still hunkered up there?
No, I think that one squad that pushed.
That's it. Hey, brother, survival.
Dude, survival of the
Good day. I'm gonna
faggest.
be honest. It's a good day, TAAGS. Up to 4. We got. I counted our.
Uh-oh. Are we already about to take?
Around.
No. All right, let's just go. Yeah, you wanna? Sure.
You're DMR. You want to get there first? You also.
Oh, I'm just battle rifle. I'm with you boys.
Yeah.
Going out.
Yeah.
I don't really see much from up here.
We got a lot of guys over here, but they just took fire. They're actively taking fire in front of us. Sorry, sorry. Oh, my bad, my bad. Oh, nice hit.
Watch yourself, Connor. Firing. All right, they moved back. They are through just beyond that tree, though. They're trying to look through some bushes.
I'm gonna swing past you guys. I'm right behind you on your right side. I am alive. So I took it.
Go for it.
So I got hit from the left side in the bushes. Hey Chris, Connor. I'm gonna backtrack and try and cut through these trails because I got shot from the left, so I think he already crossed the bridge. He might be in these trails with us. No, you guys just stay here.
We got guys walking this way. If you got a long range scope, yeah, do right here. Between these two trees right here in between, they're using that path. I don't have enough hit for it.
Between
Here. Between those two, this
the
tree.
two close ones?
Yeah, those trees to the left and the one right in front of it, just between them, you'll see them walking. They're using it as a path. I don't have enough hit like you would. Trade out. You'll see them start moving in the bushes. He has a better DMR than I do.
You guys take shots? Ready? Okay, you go left, I'll go right, okay? Stay left, stay left.
Guys, it's gonna be harder if you don't run. You wanna go camp tent?
That's fake news! It's gonna be harder if you don't run. Where? Show me the logic. Show me the Carfax.
My asthma says otherwise.
It's really fucking tasty right now. Come here.
Ooh. I'm gonna find you later.
No, he's doing Pilato, and I don't have a fan of Pilato because I run a binary trigger, so.
I just run out of ammo. That's my biggest problem. Oh, hi. That's it.
Actually, you could run binary.
I was like waiting to see if we're going that way this way.
Oh, I don't know. I don't know. Why didn't we go that way? Are we allowed to go that way?
You can go whatever way you want,
Alright, well, fuck it. Let's do that.
Go whatever way you want.
Fuck it.
Fuck it! Do it live!
Chris, get your butt
Going up this?
get your butt cheeks over here. Chris, get over here.
What?
You're not filming, dumb fuck. Oh my god. I have to turn it on. And then, oh god, that's a little too far. I think we're just gonna go that way. You think I want to walk that hill? Look at me. Oh my god. Damn, are you hit? Oh shit. I'm gonna follow my friends. What do you think? Should we cut in there? Yeah?
friendlies on this.
Yeah. Are you sure? Are you sure about that?
Band right there. So, yeah, no.
After red.
Okay. Okay. Cool.
It's really good.
See anybody coming from
Yes.
that way?
Yes. Yeah. I just took one out. One kind of doubled back up the hill. There's a lot of movement over here. It's all no bands over here.
Okay.
I can't tell.
Okay.
Oh, thank God. All right.
Hit!
Bands? No bands? Oh,
Stay behind me.
scared me. Yes.
I have the hard ground.
Oh, yeah. Perfect. Good shit. Hey, we have one guy right here. There's a couple of them trying to kind of squirt down. I'm gonna try and go find my friends. Who will back you up? Yeah.
Some guys just got going pushing in this way.
Holy shit. Holy shit, buddy.
Yeah. Yeah.
That was close.
Did it pass me?
It passed you, yeah.
In the doorway, I think. Saw movement in the doorway. I'll get a better angle there than I can. Hey, what do you want to?
You guys go through the left then.
Alright, you ready?
Can you
hold.
position up here?
Yeah, you gonna cover me?
Can you suppress that fucking doorway, Chris?
Just stay low, there's a gap.
Let me know when.
Is what?
If you're here, my guys can see that there's good spots where I'm seeing movement.
Alright, ready? Yeah. 3, 2,
Oh, nice.
Oh, hit.
Thanks for the friendly kill. Thanks for the friendly kill. Good shit. Crossing, dead man. Dead man crossing. Dead man crossing.
Y'all let us up.
Dead man crossing. Death by friendly fire. Good shit. Oh, wait. Game.
Oh, wow. The only contact we got.